Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Let's cook together a delicious and very healthy salad. It's simple, fresh and quick to make. Check out the full list of ingredients in the description. First, we start with roasting the chicken. You can use any boneless chicken cut you like. I'm using chicken breast here. You can also fry it, air fry it, boil it or roast it. It's completely up to you. I'm adding a bit of salt and pepper, coating the chicken lightly in olive oil and roasting it in the oven until it's fully cooked and juicy. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare all the vegetables: cabbage, cucumbers, sweet pepper and carrots. You can add any other vegetables you like. While I'm chopping, let's talk a little about why this salad is so good for your body. Cabbage is amazing for digestion and is naturally rich in fiber, which helps you feel full for longer. Hey, great for your weight loss. Cucumbers are very hydrating because they are mostly water, so they help refresh your body, especially on busy or hot days. Sweet peppers are full of vitamin C, which supports your skin and natural glow. And carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, great for skin, eyes and overall vitality. Together, these vegetables create a perfect balance of crunch, freshness and natural nourishment. Now mix all the vegetables in a large bowl. Next, we make the dressing. I'm combining Greek yogurts, Dijon mustard, tahini paste, honey, lemon juice, salt and pepper. This gives a perfect balance: creamy, slightly tangy, a little sweet and full of flavor. You can find all the exact measurements in the description. When the chicken is ready and slightly cooled, slice it nicely into strips. Now add everything together: chicken, vegetables and dressing, and mix well until everything is evenly coated. And that's it. A simple, fresh and satisfying salad you can enjoy any day of the week. Hey guys, by the way, discover our range of 100% natural candles and other home fragrances. The perfect way to create a calm atmosphere while you cook and unwind. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment. Thank you for spending your time with me. I appreciate every one of you, and always remember to slow down a little and take care of yourself today. See you in my next video.